So watch out for the little ones, though. I heard they can latch on to you, bleed your drive for 18 to 25 years. Alright, well, up ahead, the Cambodian drive built by Cambodian shiners. Over here on the left-hand side, a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. It can jump over 30 feet in the air, but don't worry, folks. We're only 25 feet away. It's gonna jump right over us. Oh. This right here is Ginger the crocodile. Hey, Ginger. How you doing? Careful, careful. Ginger snapped. That should have tough cookie that one. I know that joke was a little crumbly, but I'll keep going. Okay, well this right here is the sacred elephant bathing pool. Looks like the whole herd came out to say hi to us today. Take as many pictures as you like, folks. They've got their trunks on. Oh, how cute. Yeah. There's Bertha in the shower. She's been in that shower for quite a long time. You can tell by all her wrinkles. A little tip for you kids, don't stay in the shower for too long. You might turn into an elephant. Just saying. Speaking of showers, this right here is Squirt. He loves to get showers, by the way. Just loves it. Oh, say that, okay? Yeah, buddy. Oh, let's get back up. Oh, can I back it down, that kitty? Oh, boy. Looks like a family gorillas have taken over that camp. Don't make any sound like a banana, folks. They find it very appealing. Looked over that car. That's awkward. Okay. Well, over here on the left-hand side, these are the low viscous plants. They look higher. Those are the high viscous plants. Yeah. Up ahead is the beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after Doc. Don't worry about it. They're dark brown zebras. In the back, the long-necked zebras. Very rare. Over here we have the roaring zebras. Look how sweet they're protecting that sleeping zebra. Oh. That's how they sleep, on their side with the neck bent back, their eyes wide open. Zebra's dead. Sorry, dead tired, my bad. Okay, uh-oh. Well, that's something you don't see every day. Look at the pack of ducks. Anyways, there's a lot of rocks on that beach. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000 rocks on that beach. So, whatever. Don't get into an argument of our boats, but don't worry. Only 5 of those are mine. You folks are in great hands, I promise. Oh, looks like those two are in charge of it. I'm gonna scatter them off. Come here, folks. Come here. Nailed it. Scared them stiff and tough. Blank looks on their faces. Look at them. Oh, no, she's got me. Call that a hippo shot of the strawberry apple. Okay, well this right here is Headhunter's territory. Bad place to be headed, you know what I mean. Don't believe me, just look at my last crew here. Yeah, they're still smiling. Hi guys. Hey. Looks like the natives are celebrating something. Let me see if I can translate for you. You put your left foot in. You put your left foot out. Sounds like a bunch of hokey pokey to me. Let's get out of here. That right there is called a sculpture. Hope you like it. And now, ooh, what's this? What? Ambush? Oh boy. Everybody get down. Here. Ricochet. Fear. I don't know about you folks, but I'm okay. Anybody get hit? Look, I got hit by a spear. Please pull it out, throw it back. You're not allowed to keep souvenirs. Okay, well here's the moment you've all been waiting for. The wonderful, the spectacular, eighth wonder of the world, ladies and gentlemen. The backside of water. Woo! O2H. Here's the front side of rock. Yeah! Rock! That right, the river fishing here is fantastic. So let's check it out. There's a boat running. Let's get out of here. Women and children, you folks are safe. These are only man-eating piranhas. Man-eating piranhas. And here's a bullet sitting in a tree. HISSING. First comes love, then comes asphyxiation. What a way to get tangled up in that relationship. Find it very constricting. This right here, Trader Sam, head salesman of the jungle. Business has been shrinking lately, so he's got a special offer for us today. 2 of his heads for 1 of yours, any way you slice it. I'm not a head. There's LED elephant,